Hi, this is Rob from ILC Tech Support, and I've got another tech video for you today. This one is about setting the parameters and configuration and values on our EVO Lite Ceiling Sensor. If you saw the video for our EVO Lite Wall Sensor, this switch right here, the process is very similar. It's pretty much the same. And if you haven't seen that video, we will link it here and we'll link it below in the description so you can go check that out as well. So the first thing I need to do is pop this cover off. Just snap fits, and you'll notice the programming button is right here. This one I find moves a little quicker than the wall station, so what we're looking for again is we're going to hold this black button until the red and blue LEDs start to oscillate. So let's check that out quick. There they go. So now we can put this in parameter mode. Just for the sake of demonstration, we are going to change the vacancy time. So let's go to the vacancy parameter, which is parameter 4. So right now it's on 2, now 3, now 4. If you look at our handy dandy chart right here, 4 is the vacancy time. Remember, our red is on the left, blue is on the right. So right now we're in configuration 4 as our red LED is blinking at us. So let's lock that in, and we're going to go over to our value. So now we're in the blue side of the chart. Let's see what it's set to right now. It's set to 6, which is 60 minutes. We want to change it to 10. So let's hit it one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. 1 and 1, 2. So value 2 is a 10-minute timeout on our vacancy timer. It's going to tell us that again. And now we can lock that in. So now we're back to our main menu or our parameter menu. So let's go into our exit settings mode. For this one, that's 8. So let's make sure our parameters are set to 8. It'll be this one right here. And then we can hold. Let's lock into blue. Now we need value 2 to save. 1, 2, and let's lock that in. And when they've both lit up, just like the wall station, this parameter has been saved, so now our vacancy time is set to 10 minutes. Everything on the chart right here is just a matter of finding the parameter and then finding the value using this button. If you count the blinks, you should be good to go.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have additional questions, feel free to email us at ilc.techsupport@ilc-usa.com or call us from 7 to 5 Central at 952-842-2588.